So what we've got here is the Kranzle K1152Tst. So the TST means hose reel on the top. Now the beauty about the Kranzles, which we'll come to in a little while, is about the way the machine works and everything else with the hose reel setup. So on this setup, what you get there is the gun itself, followed by two nozzle systems. The VARIO 4-in-1, and what happens is that turns and you can alter the pressure on there by pulling it backwards and forwards, pushing it in and out for high and low pressure. You've then got the rotary nozzle, turbo, dirt killer nozzle. Always remember that when you're using a dirt killer, pull the trigger facing down and then go up in the air with it, because you will wear a turbo nozzle away because of the way it's built inside. So always pull the trigger. Now that's on a spigot system that clips in. Now you'll find that if you look at the spigot on this one, it will lock in place because it's a different shape to that one. So as you look at it, you'll see what happens, it stops it from turning. So that won't turn once it's in place, where the other one can spin. So if we plug it in, so what happens now is that is not able to be spun around, it's locked in place. Where the other system, with it being the way it is, you can turn it, so it doesn't matter. But you don't want your VARIO spinning around and turning. So this one here now, as you can see, it will spin on that system. So it's a special spigot on that one that's available. On the machine itself, as we use this machine, so when you're using it, the machine is laid down. That is in lay down position. When you're using it, obviously what you've got to remember also is sometimes some people put them away into garages, some people put them into sheds. Always unscrew the hose off the gun and turn the machine on for a second or two without it plugged in. It will push the air out of the system so there's no chance of frost. So also this is a new system where it's swivel, so when this connects onto the gun it gives you the option, so it swivels around, so you're not working on a hose that's fixed, which we'll show you now. So with this being the new system, swivel. Now this will swivel whether the pressure is on or off. Obviously it swivels easier when you let go of the trigger, which we'll show you when we do the video in a little while. So as we're screwing that on, yeah, what you'll find is that hose will still swivel the gun. Fantastic idea, great, should have been done a long time ago. This has got a 15-metre hose reel on there that will work on the system itself. Now like I say, this machine is working 130 bar at 10 litres. The pump motor engine runs at 2,800 RPMs. I'll just show you the spec. It's a 240 volt, 130 bar. Now you'll see as well, when you pull the trigger on a Kranzle, the machine starts, it doesn't go straight to 0 to 130 seconds. That's the beauty about a Kranzle. It goes steady away, and also the automatic stop start. So when you let go of the trigger, the machine stop and start every time. If you have a machine that's stopping and starting, and obviously once you've released the trigger and left the trigger, make sure you get it sorted, because it means you've got a fault somewhere in the system or on the hose and gun, and the gun's leaking. Get it solved, don't leave it doing that. So when you come to finish off, make sure you disconnect the hose, turn the machine on for a second or two and run it dry. It's then frost protected. You've also got the pressure regulator, you can turn the pressure up and down this red knob. Obviously when this comes to yourself it's set, but you can turn it backwards to reduce the pressure on the system. The beauty about the Kranzle as well is changing the oil is nothing of a job, very simple and straightforward. So you've got the bung here to open it up, where you put the oil in, and underneath it, if you look there, you'll see the bung that you just undo. If you look carefully as well inside there, you'll also see an oil level switch, so oil gauge, where you can see how much oil's in there when it's laid down. Halfway up the sighting glass when you're using it. Proper rubber cable. Water inlet, you've got the two options. You've got the click system hose lock, or you can take that off. Now behind there is also a filter that protects the system. Always make sure that that is kept clean. We are getting wet through here, so on that side of it, it's chucking it down, all of a sudden the storms come. But like I say, this is the 1152Tst. Thank you very much. Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.
Q services, Qwashers at eBay and YouTube. So what we've simply got here is a Kranzle K1152Tst. The TST is a total stock model and the T at the end stands for the hose reel. This machine works at 130 bar at 10 litres a minute. 240 volt as usual in the UK. The machine itself, it comes with a 15 metre hose reel as a standard procedure with a 15 metre length of hose also. The machine itself weighs 30 kilograms. So what we'll do is we'll go around it first of all. So it comes with the turbo nozzle and VARIO nozzle which locks into place. And all we'll do is we'll pull that off. You've got your water going in here as usual. Your unloader's already set before it comes to yourself. All we're going to do is we're going to go to the machine and turn it on. Pull the trigger. You've got a VARIO nozzle. That can be altered if you turn that nozzle itself. Go from a fan degree to a pencil nozzle. It will also go onto low pressure if you push it forward. So same again, you've got low volume coming through. Fan, pencil. As you can see, this here locks into place on the hexagon itself. So there's no movement on there when it goes into there. As you'll see on the turbo nozzle, you'll see that when it locks into place, the lance itself can actually move still. So all we'll do now is run the turbo nozzle. As you can see the machine there, it's working at 130 bar. Thank you very much. Q services, Qwashers at eBay and YouTube.